Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be ventilating a 2x6 lace closure. I already went ahead and cut out the lace. So for the Swiss lace, you can get it from your local beauty supply store or you can order it online. If they don't have it at your local beauty supply store, you can get it online. I've put the link in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out. So moving on to the hair, this is the hair I'm going to be working with today. Also, I made this hair weft myself. I have a video showing you guys how to make your own hair weft. The link is also in the description box down below. Okay, so once you've pinned down the lace, the next step now is to take the hair you're going to be working with and cut out a little bit of hair out of the weft. So you need to cut out a little bit of hair at a time, so that way as you ventilate, so you don't cut more than you need for the ventilation. The next step is to use your fingers and pull out the super short strands out of the end of the hair. So once that is done, take a little amount of the hair that you're going to be ventilating. The next, fold it over just like I'm doing in this video. So you want to make sure to have a short end and a long end. So the fold over edge can be like 2 inches or 1.5 inches depending on the length you are comfortable with. So once that is done, the next step is to start ventilating the hair. Okay, so for this process, we're only going to be using 2 strands of hair for the ventilation, except for the front of the lace. So once I get to the front of the lace, we'll, carry on the discussion from there. So you want to use 2 strands of hair for the ventilation. So around the perimeter of the lace, since we're working with a very small lace closure, you need to make sure not to skip any hole on the lace on the first 3 to 4 row on the lace. So doing this will help to give the edge of the lace a fuller look and preventing your track from showing once you're done sewing down the weft. So again, on the first 3 to 4 row, make sure not to space out the hair. So once you're done with the first 3 to 4 row, then you can go ahead and space out the hair by skipping just one hole on the lace, meaning skipping every other hole on the lace once you're done filling out the first 3 to 4 row without spacing it out. So again, once you're done filling out the first 3 to 4 row, the next step is to start doing your normal ventilation by spacing out the hair, meaning skipping every other hole on the lace. So again, I'm using 2 strands of hair for the ventilation. And also, I have a very detailed and close-up video showing you guys how to properly use the ventilating needle. So if you're a beginner, I'll advise that you watch that video. It will help you in learning how to properly use the ventilating needle. I'll put the link in the description box down below. So it will be the first link in the description box if you want to check out that video. If you want to learn how to properly use the ventilating needle, that video is very, very, very detailed. And so this is the part. And also I'm doing a free part today. I'm not doing like a straight neat middle part. I'm going for a free part look for this lace closure. So again, for the spacing, you need to skip every other hole to get that natural looking hairline or pattern once you're done making your hair. So So for the hairline, you're going to be using one strand of hair instead of two strands, and also you need to space out the hair by skipping every other hole on the lace. Again, for the hairline, to get that natural looking hairline, you need to switch from using two strands of hair to one strand of hair, and also space out the hair by skipping every other hole on the lace. Okay, so I'm done ventilating the hairline on the closure. That's how long it took for the ventilation process. So this is it. You see right there, when you brush the hair over, as you can see, the edge of the lace looks really full. Do you see that? Perfect. So that way when you place the lace on the wig, it will cover the track close to the lace. It will give you a really fuller looking hair, like on the edge of the lace close to the track. So as you can see, this is the middle part right here, the free part. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going in with water to define the coils. I'm only using water because I'm planning on restyling the hair once I'm, fixed it in place. So right now I'm just going in with water to show you guys what it looks like after spraying in the water. So it gives a little bit of wave, yeah. Okay, so this is the final result right here of the 2x6 ventilated closure. Look at that. Perfect. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.